In today's video, I'll take you on an enchanting journey through the life of an extraordinary individual whose story feels like it's been lifted straight from a magical realm. Born in a lush valley encircled by ancient mountains under a sky lit by a rare celestial alignment, this person was named Kuyay Munay Yachay by the village shaman, a name foretelling a destiny intertwined with love, connection, and wisdom. From a young age, Kuyay was recognized for her unique connection to the world around her. She had the ability to radiate love so intensely that it brought peace and happiness to everyone she met. Animals would gather around her, drawn by her warmth, and rivers seemed to carry her soothing presence to distant lands. Money represents her ability to forge deep, affectionate connections wherever she went. Her words brought comfort to the weary, and her laughter mended broken spirits. Kuyay's presence was like a warm embrace to all who sought solace in her company. Yachay, the wisdom that she carried, was bestowed upon her by the universe itself. From an early age, she could perceive paths hidden to others, learning from the whispers of the wind and the leaves in the sacred forest. She understood the intricate connections that bind us all, and she found ways to heal these bonds when they were damaged. As she grew older, she traveled from village to village, using her gifts to guide those who had lost their way, helping estranged couples rediscover their love, and weaving their hearts back together with her profound insights and affection. When the time came for the village shaman to pass on, he imparted his final wisdom to her: seek the world to heal those who belong to each other. He cautioned her to remain humble, warning that true healing comes not from seeking fame, but from genuine service. Now she travels far and wide, mending broken hearts and guiding twin flames back to each other, fulfilling the prophecy while staying true to her humble roots. Her legacy isn't built on fame, but on the quiet warmth of souls reconnecting. This tale isn't just a story of mystical powers. It's a reminder of the profound impact compassion, love, and understanding can have on the world. Stay tuned as we explore more about how Kuyay Munay Yachay continues to change lives, one heart at a time. Now, she travels far and wide, mending broken hearts and guiding twin flames back to each other, fulfilling the prophecy while staying true to her humble roots. Her legacy isn't built on fame, but on the quiet warmth of souls reconnecting. One such soul who reached out to Kuyay Munay Yachay in a time of deep despair was a woman whose life seemed shattered by the abrupt end of what she believed was a lifelong bond with her twin flame. Engulfed in a relentless ache, she found that traditional paths to healing were futile. Intrigued and desperate for a new solution, she decided to trust in the ancient wisdom of shamanism, engaging in a 7-day remote shamanic ceremony conducted by Kuyay from afar. The first day of the ceremony passed uneventfully, which only deepened her skepticism. However, the following morning, she woke to an unexpected surge of vitality and a flicker of hope that maybe, just maybe, things might improve. This newfound energy was surprising, especially considering her recent state of listlessness. It felt as though a weight had been slightly lifted. By the third day of the ceremony, she felt an unusual impulse to take a walk in the forest, a place she seldom visited. As she meandered through the tranquil trees, absorbed in the peace around her, a stranger approached her out of nowhere. With a reassuring smile, he simply said, "It will be okay," and continued on his way. The encounter, brief as it was, left her stunned and oddly comforted, as if the universe itself was affirming the shaman's work. The transformation within her became visible to others by the 5th day. A friend visited and immediately commented on how radiant she appeared, despite the profound sadness she knew her friend harbored. Her observation made the woman realize that the shifts were not only internal, but were also manifesting externally. The 6th day marked a significant turning point. She felt reborn, able to finally release the grip of her grief. The connection with her twin flame, though severed, seemed to be healing in its own right. On the final day of the ceremony, Precisely at 11 a.m., her phone rang. It was him, her twin flame. His voice trembled as he asked if they could meet. That evening, as they sat across from each other, he expressed deep remorse for his departure and the pain it caused. He had missed her profoundly from the day they parted and was seeking forgiveness. That ceremony, though conducted remotely, was a pivotal moment in their lives. It not only helped her heal, but also paved the way for reconciliation. Now, 3 years later, they are happily married with the loveliest child, and their joy is boundless. The shamanic journey, mysterious and powerful, taught her that love can traverse any distance, mend any break, and forgive any hurt. Kuyay Munay Yachay's work continues to inspire and heal, demonstrating the profound effects of compassion and ancient wisdom in modern lives. Kuyay Munay Yachay's work, however, transcends the simple acts of physical healing and emotional reconciliation. She operates within a realm that challenges the very fabric of our understanding of reality and love. Following the successful reunification of the couple mentioned earlier, Kuyay often shares deeper insights into the nature of her work, particularly when addressing common misconceptions about shamanic spells for reuniting with an ex. In the realm of the mystical and unexplained, such spells often provoke skepticism and scrutiny. Critics dismiss them as mere illusions or wishful thinking, attributing any apparent success to psychological placebo effects or chance. Yet, Kuyay suggests a more complex mechanism at play, involving the intriguing concept of parallel universes or alternate realities, rooted in interpretations of quantum physics and metaphysical theories. According to Kuyay, when she facilitates a reunion through her shamanic ceremonies, it is not about manipulating emotions or coercing someone's return. Instead, she taps into the vast potential of the multiverse. She explains that in this expansive framework, every conceivable scenario, choice, and path exists in parallel. By engaging in her rituals, individuals may be shifting their consciousness to a reality where their desired reunion has already occurred. In this new reality, the dynamics between individuals and their ex-partners may be fundamentally different. It is not just a matter of reigniting old flames or repairing past mistakes. Rather, it's about stepping into a version of reality where both parties are naturally drawn back together. Here, the love that once existed is reignited and allowed to flourish once more. This perspective challenges the notion that spells for reuniting are about manipulation. Instead, Kuyay emphasizes that both parties are drawn together by the natural flow of the universe, guided by the subtle currents of fate and destiny. The love that emerges in this new reality, she insists, is not artificial or forced. While the catalyst for the reunion may have been a spell, the love that blossoms is genuine and authentic, transcending the boundaries of time and space. Furthermore, Kuyay's teachings offer a nuanced understanding of relationships and love. She believes love is dynamic and ever-evolving, just as individuals change over time. Thus, spells for reuniting with an ex are seen as tools for navigating these changes and exploring the vast tapestry of possibilities within the multiverse. By introducing her audience to these concepts, Kuyay Munay Yachay opens up a fascinating realm of exploration and contemplation. She invites us to reconsider our conventional understanding of love and relationships, suggesting that perhaps, in the end, love truly knows no bounds, transcending not only time and space, but even the barriers between worlds. Thank you for joining me on this journey today. If you found this exploration as enlightening as I did, please consider subscribing for more insights. And don't forget to like and share this video to spread the profound messages that Kuyay embodies.